Kaseng all Khasi Hill Achik Federation kala ujol seolah gejala CHJ Shankar mentakasngi ban Pyrshah ya kejing wanda kesoka jela ban itu tang Ktien Khasi ha ke District Selection Committee Rilum Khasi bat Ktien Garo tang Rilum Garo habkran sikalat thai kebol unaram kaseng u manuel CH marak long bakaseng kadawa badai ban itu kumju ya Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha barok koi kejela ban lek sileng kenang bagi Khasi kira banyak jika kam Sorkar ke bahap sekaru hills bat kikaru ru kira banyak jika kam Sorkar ke bahap Khasi hill hapok ke jingpai ke District Selection Committee Manuel ong ba kani ke jinglek ke Sorkar ke pendulat jika hok kikaru ban yok kam Sorkar ki basa Khasi hills ki badon kumba saw lak Ngut ai.
Today we met the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya regarding the district selection job recruitment system. So which passed the bill that they had mandated the Garo and Khasi. Here they had mandated the Khasi language in the Khasi Hills region, and then the Garo language in the Garo Hills region. So here, what we have found and what we have faced, that what we have feel that. So here, we feel that since the government of Meghalaya, they have recognized the Garo and Khasi as an official language, and the government of Meghalaya, they are trying to include Garo in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. So since the government of Meghalaya, they are trying to include this both language, and they had recognized the Garo and Khasi as official language. So then that the government, how they had mandated this Garo in the Garo Hills, and then the Khasi language in the Khasi Hills region. So here in the Khasi Hills region, so there are more or less 4 lakhs of the populations are residing here in the Khasi Hills region, Garo communities. So I think we feel that the government, they had deprived us. I think they had discriminated us. So they didn't. I think they didn't in their town or in their I don't know. So I think they didn't find the Garo people. I think in the Khasi Hills region maybe. But let me clear here. So here we are residing here in the Khasi Hills region. So since the before the British era, we are residing here, and we have equal rights. And here what we found, so our people, they cannot compete in the district selection committee because of the language. So there only our people, they used to fit. So once they had recognized this Garo and Khasi language as official, so they should mandatory in both Garo Hills and then Khasi Hills. So it should be optional when we appear the examinations and all. So it should be optional, either Garo or Khasi. So if the Garo appear the DSC exam, that means they should give us the opportunity to appear in our own mother tongue. So we feel that it's that the government of Meghalaya, they are doing unconstitutional towards the community of Garo community in the Khasi Hills region. In this being partially, so at least they should think for the people of this Khasi Hills. Garo people also, they should think, they should treat equally. So they are doing partially. I don't know why they are trying to deprive us. I don't know. Chief Minister related this issue, and we had talked with the Honorable Chief Minister also regarding this issue. So we have submitted the memo also, and then now we have submitted this memorandum to our Honorable Governor. So So here we feel that. That means that the government, they are doing partially. That too we know 100% that. So they should not do that.
What
He said that he will take up this issue very seriously, and he will negotiate with the Honorable Chief Minister, and he will discuss regarding this issue.
your demand is to scrap that thing which was
Yeah. We appeal to review and to modify this bill. So we are appealing to review this bill to modify it. L2, so that it should be mandatory in both Garo Hills or Khasi Hills. So that means, say one thing I want to say that more.
What the language?
I want to say one thing that, say, once when they had recognized this Khasi and Garo as official language, so this Khasi language will be stuck in the Khasi Hills region only. So it should be go to Garo Hills also. It should be like what to say, no? Same.
the whole state.
Yeah, in the whole state. So that we want. And here in the Khasi Hills also, let the Garo also it should, so that us with the brotherhood, we should know each and every language. So that we want. So that the government, what they have done, that is, I think that is not wise. That is totally discriminations. Yes.
What are other issues?
We had circulated this memorandum and all. We had talk also. We had negotiate also. And maximum of the MLAs and all, they are not happy with this. So it should be equal for everyone. So that's we want
You
from
are
our side.
representing from